Let's talk about single leg glute bridges. So for your glute bridge, you're gonna lie on your back. Legs are gonna be bent, feet are pressing into the floor. We are going to press our lower back into the floor to make sure that we're in a little bit of a pelvic tuck. Then you're going to move your one leg a little bit more centered. The other leg is gonna bend, be elevated, and now we're gonna drive our foot into the floor as we use our hamstring and our glute to lift the hips and then to lower. Lift, lower. It doesn't have to be a huge movement. Focus on trying to keep that pelvic tuck the whole time so that we're not using the lower back to do this movement. You're just gonna contract, so really contract through the foot, the hamstring and the glute to lower and raise the hips. Same thing on the other side. Left foot is now elevated, pressing the right foot into the ground as hard as we can, driving through the heel, keeping that pelvic tuck to lift the hips up and down, all the while focusing on keeping our hips steady. So I don't want to see a hip drop here or here. We're not trying to compensate by driving up with our hip. The hips are level the whole time, and we're tightening up through the abs to keep the hips steady.